All right, so before we get into this, we need to talk about symmetry. All right, so symmetry in layman's term means that if I cut the shape down that line, for example, it'll fold right into that. But I can also cut the shape that, oh, that's not right. I can also cut the shape that way and it will still fold. I can also cut the shape this way and it will fold into that. I can also cut the shape that way and it will fold into that. So a really important thing to know about symmetry is if you have a regular polygon now, it has to be regular. What do I mean by regular? It means all the sides, angles, and shape is exactly the same. It's regular. Irregular, for example, would be a shape that looks like this. Like everything is different. Like this side is not the same as this side. Okay, so regular is not a rectangle. Regular would be a square. Or you could have a regular hexagon, for example, like all these sides, all these angles, and the same shape. So regular is everything is the same. Irregular, it's not the same. So is this regular or irregular? Irregular, because they're not all the same sides. This would be a regular triangle. All the sides, angles are the same. Okay, so if you have a regular shape, then the number of sides, so let's say n sides of any polygon is also equal to the number of lines of symmetry. All right, so let's say that you had a regular octagon. Well, how many sides are in an octagon? 8. So how many lines of symmetry is it going to have? It's going to have 8, but only because it is regular. Okay, so only because it is regular. This is a very important word. It has to be regular. All right, so now that we've done that, we're ready to look at L11.